a senseless contradiction. I end up a misfit trying to fit in. This ends when I stand up and see the hands of the standard. Holy is the Lamb. Now we holding you to man up, cause we were made in His image. Start looking at what you came from.
Right after Adam, every atom and non-atomies, adamant, adamant. After what Adonai is against. Never take you back to the tree and Eve. Never read it, you see that Eve was deceived, but Adam is the one who let her in. Instead of leading, no, we ain't leading, we basically little boys with muscles that I must tell. The femininity, we need a remedy to God, man. 100% masculinity.
We the last. Yeah, where the men at? Seems like they all lost. None of them are on the scene, seems like they died off. They extinct, but my dream is the rise of we chasing the prize of the king, the divine boss. But we fell away, now we ungodly. We lose and we really got the blues like Navi. I wanna celebrate the news, it's what's happening. Fellas, let's elevate, we do it the live.
They like old heads, head boy, get your shine on. And if a sucker try to block you, get your nine home. And what I heard you gotta do to be a man now. Stand up for yourself, so I took it in my hands now. And that's the problem, man, we busy trying to solve it. All the while we walking dead, and somebody bring the coffin. Boy, drop peach fuzz, now you think that you a man. Cause you feeling yourself, you need to man up.
Yeah, there's many things man is chasing after. They got some questions, we got some answers.
Being a man got nothing to do with age. You could be a boy to the day you lay in your grave. None of us behave like the image of who we're made, cause we fall in the way, it's better known as the prey. Running from responsibility, really we crave. The easy way out of places that call us to pull our weight. Men ain't born through everyday decisions are made, responding to the call God's giving up from the gate.